ariko gambaho n'abanyamakuru aha ofisiye hori henganzi hanga Right Honorable Robinana Banja yagira ngo umurimo wo gunigija kwani gukora buri rwa mukaga rahamuheru omukwezi.
The government of Uganda is therefore pleased to announce the commencement of the implementation of the National Cleaning Days Initiative, a national program approved by Cabinet under Minute number 246 CT 2025 during the Cabinet meeting held in Entebbe.
Agira ngo iki bakashitekaho mu rukiko rwa Cabinet rwaberukuriwe President Yoweri Museveni kandi nawe akaciciriza. Nagira ngo uri munya Uganda natekatekwa kwija kwetaba umuhururu Ekiro emyanya ngo kandi tiba kwija kwiciriza emotoka kufa kutambura fwa bari kugira ngo nibija kwiciriza motoka zonka eza ambulance hamwe na n'izindi nce zirayoreke hobwetago ngo zine kutambura.
The initiative establishes the last Saturday of every month from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. as a national cleaning day, during which all Ugandans are expected to participate in community cleaning activities. Unnecessary movements of persons and vehicles is strictly prohibited during the 3 hours of cleaning activities.
Minister w'amagara Dr. Chris Wariomunsi yagamba ahashonga ahabwenchi bebembize ehureji namnonga ahanshonga eyo kutambira oburuyire oburi kurabiro mborofa ngakorera ahamwe na nesheshe hotile hona nebindi.
Harimo binji ebiturugasibwamo kengwara ez'abantu binji ba Uganda bari kugwara ziri kuteganisa abantu heihe bicweka 15 aharigana nizibasa kutambigwa haba hine chitukozire ezimwe ntomanya ngo nizirabira omuborofa nke ngwara ezo kwirukana engwara nke za kolera za dysentery sheshe engwara z'ibifuba nangwa n'engwara y'omushijo.
James Ochaya o Deputy IGP yahamiza abanya-Uganda ngo bwire ho barabinu bayonja nibija kureba ngo byo kwerinda byababiri yahiguru.
Our capacity is not doubted, but this is not what our interest is. Ours is just to ensure we regulate so that this program is done in a very peaceful, amicable environment.
Ori omuhwezi wa President retired Major Jessica Arupo ni wakwija kutongoza ehureji kandi naija kujekera President Yoweri Museveni ahara mukaga 2025 ebyo kwezi kwa mushanje mwaka ogu omwanya ogwachiti zone eri kushangwa omuri Kisenyi omuri Kampala okutandikana shahemwe ya Kasheshe. Makuru aga gasha kwa John ni mwebembezi ahabwa Tayari West.